How to send voice messages on Discord PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let us get started. First of all, quit your Discord application. Click on this arrow drop down and also quit your Discord from here. Open up your web browser and at the top search bar, type in Vencord. Click onto the first link, then click on to download Vencord. Choose if you are using Windows, Linux or anything and click on Download Vencord Installer Docs.exe. Once you do so, you will see a page like this and here click on to install. And once you install this, it says that if Discord is still open, fully close it and then start it again and verify Vencord installed successfully by looking for its category in Discord settings. So let's go ahead and do that. Open up your Discord application from your PC and go on to your user settings. Click on to settings, then you will see an extra option that says Vencord. Here click on to plugins and search for voice. And here you have to toggle on voice messages. Once you toggle it on, go back to your home page and click on any server. And then you will see an extra option of send voice message. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.